North Carolina police fatally shot a kidnapping suspect as he attempted to flee and ran over a cop with a vehicle on Wednesday. The wild Gastonia Police Department shooting was captured on video by a neighbor's doorbell camera. Footage shows 21-year-old Jason Lipscomb being rushed by officers as he jumps into a silver four-door car. As the officers swarmed the vehicle, Lipscomb backed the vehicle up as cops shouted, "Stop the car! Get out of the car!" Lipscomb then speeds forward at the officers, running one cop over, as he continued to escape. Police then opened up with a barrage of gunfire, fatally killing Lipscomb. After the doorbell footage of the shooting was released, Gastonia police took to social media to break down the shooting for the public. The police officer who was run over by Lipscomb was rushed to a nearby hospital with serious injuries. Gastonia Police Public Information Officer Rick Goodale said in a press conference that 911 received a call about two children who had been kidnapped just after 12:30 p.m. on Wednesday. Police arrived at the home on North Edgemont Avenue, finding the two children inside and unharmed. Goodale said officers confronted Lipscomb outside his residence, where some sort of encounter took place between the suspect and responding officers before Lipscomb got in his car to flee. Goodale also said that investigators had not yet determined if Lipscomb was armed during the altercation. Since this was an officer-involved shooting, the North Carolina State Bureau of Investigation will take over the investigation, as is standard procedure. The officers involved in the shooting have been placed on administrative leave pending the investigation.